Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. For all of you that are new here, my name is Kat. I am a wife, mom, and hairstylist from Ontario, Canada. And if you guys follow me over on Instagram, you will know that I am doing the virtual homeschool learning thing. And guys, it is a task. It is insanity. I have two school-age kids. Andrew, who's 13. Oh my goodness, I have a 13-year-old, a teenager in my house. He just turned 13 on the weekend. And I have Nevaeh, who's 6, who's in grade 1. So a grade 8 and a grade 1, and it is back and forth all day long. So this place becomes a disaster because little Aaliyah is literally taking any toy that she wants, you know, specifically her older sisters, because she's not around to kind of take them from her, and she is going hardcore with playing, including these little Legos that are everywhere. And if you are a mom, you know that you could sit there and argue and yell at the kids to clean, but in the end, you are just going to be left frustrated. You may have gotten help, it may be clean, but the process of getting it clean was something that I can't even handle, guys. I literally cannot handle yelling at the kids to clean, to have it all done, because then I just sit there after and I'm angry. So I use cleaning as my therapy, I guess you could say. It's kind of weird. If someone told me when I was a kid that I'd be cleaning to kind of keep myself sane, I definitely would have laughed at them and been like, no way, not happening. But here I am, adulting, cleaning, and providing you these videos for you guys. So you can see I am starting here in my living room, getting everything back into the toy room. I'm gonna move into the kitchen, and then you're gonna see Andrew come downstairs and help me a little bit in the hallway, the front hall, putting some shoes away, clearing off the stairs. I am a stair collector. If it needs to go upstairs, it is always put on the stairs. And I'm not gonna lie, I probably walked by it a good 15-20 times before it's even picked up to be brought upstairs. So Andrew's task in this video is to clean off those stairs while I get everything else done. So if you guys haven't done so already, I would love for you guys to hit that subscribe button and go on over to Instagram, give me a follow at KittyCatCraig. I try to do daily stories. I'm inconsistent, I'm not gonna lie, but when I do post, you're not gonna want to miss out on them. Life is so crazy, and I know I'm not alone in the world. We're all going crazy, and it kind of gives me some comfort at the end of my day. So I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments where you guys are from. I love interacting with you. I will get back to you guys. I love responding to you all. It may take me a week. It may take me 2. It may be right away, but just know I am so appreciative. I am so thankful for each and every one of you. For all of you that comment, I will respond. So let me know in the comments how you're doing. I cannot wait to interact. Until then, let's get cleaning. Turn up this music. This is all the talking I'm going to be doing because ain't nobody got time for talking. We need to get some good music on, and we got to get your places clean. So let's get going. Have a good day, and I'll see you guys next time.
Your dream. We were ordering some treats. You said it would be alright. I tried to stop you asking why. You started out to face it. My heart went off like crazy. You pressed your arms on my head. We fell into my small bed. You started out to face it. My heart went off like crazy. I felt my breath was taken. We were about to make it. I just need to be asleep, need to dream, holding on to reach. You started out to face it, my heart went off like crazy. You pressed your arms on my head, we fell into my small bed. You started out to face it, my heart went off like crazy. I felt my breath is taken, we were about to make it, we were about to make it.